On today's episode, I will show you how to easily pit a peach. This is the easiest way to pit a peach. Just take your paring knife and literally just twist it. Now you can prep these with absolute confidence.